see, I say, if you yeah, Mr. Baku, where then I would that for against easy. Adaroma, come over between the Apomia. Meaning, do it to me. I know you.
Okay.
If I bring my cry for you, you survive my cry. If I'm the meter. Me mobia. Me know what if you like to be doing.
Don't talk much, okay?
Yeah.
Don't talk much. Let me see. YawMoole.
Boss.
Come over.
Boss, we are not my problem, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
That's nice. YawMoole, you
Boss.
know, there is one or two things that is bothering me, okay?
Okay.
You know, recently I've been thinking about my properties and stuff, okay?
Yeah.
I need to take care of my properties.
Yeah.
There are one or two properties, I don't know where they are really located, okay? You know, there's my friend Frank.
Frank, yeah.
Yeah.
Frank.
I've been talking to Frank. Yeah, he's a good person though, but it's like recently Frank, you know, his style is like, he's not really getting time for me, so that we could, you know, trash out one or two things.
Okay, boss.
So I'm trying my best. Say, when you're Frank, send you look up for your property now.
Yeah, property now.
Yeah, what?
Property.
Yeah, property. Yeah, that is property.
Property.
That is what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
okay?
understand it, boss.
Yeah. See, it looks like I'm trying my best. So I'm the trainer, so I'm what try now? What to do?
Okay.
Yeah. You know, I don't really. I can't locate the place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I know you. Wait till me. I find it out now.
Oh, don't worry.
Go send it so that I will send me the
Yeah.
Yeah. Just so I don't know what's going on. Yeah.
Boss, may God bless you. May Allah bless you because you make me happy in my life. You give me opportunity to do more things in my life. May God bless you. May God give you long far. I know I don't want to talk more. If I talk more, I talk nonsense.
Oh no. You're a deep thinker. That's why I always talk to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, think you very deep.
Yeah.
And that is why I want to talk to you about what you say.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what I'm thinking about.
Boss, please, do you want to sell the property?
No, I'm not going to sell it. Maybe I say I may develop it. Send me
Yeah.
What do you say? There need to be one or two things. Send me sell it now. I need to, you know, touch
something. Yeah.
Now, at the end, I'm trying to find out where I want to be.
Yeah, it's true, boss.
Yeah.
It's true.
So it is Frank.
Okay.
Frank bet me check one or two things. See all my properties before if I need to go to US back and then come back.
Yeah.
What do you say? But it looks like all dragging the feet but you know.
It's not good.
I'm trying. I'm gonna let it.
Okay. Today we not go anywhere.
I'm here me go check it, Madam Fina. Oil.
Okay, and then my fix the car home. Nah, Jamie,
me waiting.
Yeah, boss.
Okay. You just finish, okay?
Thank you, boss.
Okay. YawMoole.
Boss, but Adaroma, can person be there some two in.
Okay.
Your friend, see, I say, if you yeah, Mr. Baku, where then I would that for making it easy. Adaroma, come over between the Apomia. Meaning do it to me. I know you.
Okay.
If I bring my crime for you, you survive my crime. If Abusoni na I'm the meter. Me mo biya. Me know what if you like to be.
Don't talk much, okay?
Yeah.
Don't talk much. Let me see.
Because no more cars almost a 50 million. Maybe or done.
5,
And I didn't go hospital. I'm almost if you cross about hospital, 2,000.
10. So 10 is gonna be like 2,000, right?
Yeah, 2,000. A car now didn't feel to about ambulance.
You just sort them out first, okay?
Yeah.
Let me know the rest of the bills, okay?
The rest of business 15 million.
No, YawMoole. You need receipts. You need proof of what is going on there. You can't just mention figures, okay?
Okay, I understand.
Okay.
Sorry, boss.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, boss.
Some rose flowers. Yeah, rose flowers. Okay. Ada and some security camera. Wow, Frank! Hello, Frank. Frank, I hope you're doing good. Okay. Frank, so what's going on? What's wrong? No, Frank, just calm down. Listen. What do you tell me? Listen to what I'm saying. Okay, relax. Frank, relax. All that I need is calm down. Just take me through all the properties, okay? You take me through all the properties. Me who, this is mine. Me who, so this is mine. As he said, this is mine. And after knowing all my properties, I'm gonna let you go. What do you say? Don't think about a ticket. No. Don't think about a ticket. Whatever you bring, I'm gonna double it. Do you understand? If you need business class, first class, I'm gonna book it for you. Do you understand? Yeah, Frank. I'm serious, man. What you talking about? I'm serious. Yeah, calm down. But tell me, what the hell? The properties. I need to know them. Then start something. Do you understand? There needs to be development all around. Okay. So whatever might be the cost, just let's WhatsApp. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna foot all the bills. Okay. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go back. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice one. Yeah, Frank, don't worry, okay? YawMoole! Come over here.
Oh, sorry, I'm just...
What happened to this car?
Boss, the...
Ya to pie ya oberosi no because I phone man on every na twa ne come na guy.
Yeah.
Say.
In your voice over. We would have say I was what now, see, keep on an Michelle, who will smile. But then voice over the animal.
Let's say you want no more talk me.